It's about inclusivity, uplifting Indigenous sovereignty, and yes, I really believe culture and identity changes as we create it.
I would like to thank my professors at UC Santa Cruz. Thank you guys for all the support.
I'd also like to thank the Irwin family, because without them we wouldn't be here. The annual Irwin Scholar exhibition is my favorite event in all of the art department.
My name is Edie Troutwine. I use she, her pronouns, and I am the Chancellor's undergraduate intern for the Sesnon Gallery. So this is the Sesnon Underground website, art.ucsc.edu. The Underground is a part of the larger Sesnon space. Yeah, like whatever like you make that like brings you joy. Like I feel like art's more appealing than something physical that you can define. Like it's what you bring to it is what makes something art.